When there is inflation, the domestic currency loses value. The fact that a candy bar used to cost 10 cents in the early 1960s and now costs $1 is a way of saying that $1 used to buy 10 bars, but now only buys one. The value of the dollar has declined. Alternatively, in the early 1960s, you could get $1 by giving up 10 candy bars, whereas today, you only need to give up one. That is, the cost of a candy bar for a $1 bill has been tenfold reduced. Inflation in either case means that the domestic currency is losing value. The good news is that there are only two major causes of inflation. One is that the monetary authorities print an inordinate amount of money. Money, like anything else, loses value when its supply becomes relatively abundant. If everyone expects money to depreciate, everyone will try to get rid of it as soon as possible, and the simplest way to do so is to spend it. However, this is merely a game of hot potato. Dick makes a purchase from Jane and gives her money. Jane, on the other hand, does not want to keep money, so she purchases something from Tom. Now Tom wants to get rid of the money by purchasing from Harry, and so on. Before long, all of these purchases cause prices to rise, confirming everyone's initial concern. The two causes aren't unconnected. Jane, Tom, Dick, and Harry may all anticipate inflation as a result of rapid money growth. Despite this, the two forces are logically distinct. Hyperinflations typically begin with rapid money growth, but are exacerbated by the expectations factor. To learn more about finance, business, and much more, subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.